Alright, I just made a video of receiving my hybrid cold air. I already installed it. See, I don't need the battery bracket because I already have that Optima battery sitting perfectly into that place. And here it is, right behind the fog light. So catch a little bit of the drift coming in through there. It's alright. Mainly want all of the cold air to be sucked from the front. And there it is. It's all ready to go. The sucker is humongous. Yes, sir. I just got to block this port because I have this idle air delete. So I'm probably going to plug in that sensor for now and plug this one in just to cap it. Alright, so that's not going to work because this needs to be the temperature in order for it to close. It's not gonna work. Alright, I came up with a little idea just to pinch it, just to cap it for now. Perfect, no air is escaping. So this is just to get us by for now until I get a cap for it. I didn't install the coolant line. These hoses I did not need. I used that one there to chop this one here. Okay, because all we need to do is just cap this one. There it is. Go ahead and secure this one, and then we are set. That's going to our catch can. That here, that's blocked. There, filters in there. It's ready to rock and roll. Alright, and there it is. Everything is set. Everything is nice and secured. Sensor is plugged in. Yes, it is. Pipes in there. Filters on. Let's start her up and see if she likes it. Hey Mikey, she likes it. Oh, she is idling. Idling good. Oh, that's loud. Alright, she started up, no check engine. She's ready to rock and roll, I think. Next step, PRL header. Full 3-inch race exhaust. God snow. God snow. Yeah. That's next. Then we're gonna get her retuned. And it's a wrap. Alright, there it is. I lowered it back to the ground. Intake's right there. Right there. Sheesh. Hope we clear it. Oh yeah, we're good. Plenty of clearance. It's just that filter's gonna get dirty as fudge with this wheel. Right there, right on it. Oh well, I guess we'll have to clean it off often. But that'll do it for now. Sweet. Try to turn on my light, but it won't turn on. Use my headlamp. Sweet, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.